There are many beautiful bird species throughout the world. These birds live in various regions and countries. Some bird species are endemic, inhabiting only one region. There are also cosmopolitan bird species that live throughout the world. In this video, you'll see beautiful bird species from various countries. Some of these bird species are endemic to their respective countries. In this video, we've listed the bird species alphabetically by country name. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help us grow and continue providing interesting information about birds around the world. 1. Costa Rica. The bird species from Costa Rica is the Cocos cuckoo. This bird species belongs to the cuckoo family and has a long tail, with a body length from the tip of its beak to the tip of its tail reaching 33 centimeters. This bird is endemic to Cocos Island, a Pacific island that is part of Costa Rica. Its habitat extends throughout the island, and it utilizes most of the plant communities within it. Its diet includes caterpillars, butterflies, crickets, cockroaches, and other insects. Two, Cuba. This beautiful little bird is native to Cuba. Its name is the Cuban tody. It is a species of bird found only in Cuba and the surrounding islands. Its body is very small, only 11 centimeters long. Its head is relatively large compared to its body size, and its beak is thin and flat. These birds are known to live in dry lowlands, coastal vegetation, pine forests, and near rivers. They are often seen in pairs. When at rest, they sometimes repeat a short, distinctive song. Their wings produce a buzzing sound that they use during display flights. Three, Ecuador. The bird from this country is the Darwin's flycatcher. This bird is endemic to the Galapagos Islands and is a critically endangered species. It measures 13 centimeters in length. Adult males have red plumage with a dull black accent. Females are brown with a yellowish accent. Darwin's flycatchers are found in the interior and edges of damp forests in the highlands. Most species of this bird feed on flying and terrestrial insects, as well as other arthropods. They perch in open areas and chase or pounce on their prey. Four, Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a country in East Africa. Many birds live there. One of them is this bird, the Ethiopian siskin. This bird is a species of finch in the Fringillidae family. It is about 12 centimeters long. It has a thin, pointed beak and a curved tail. This bird is found only in Ethiopia. It is found in highland habitats and usually in small groups. Adult males have bright plumage and a black head, while adult females are duller and have no black head. Five, France. A bird native to France is this small bird, the Corsican nuthatch. This bird, measuring about 12 centimeters, is found only on the French island of Corsica. Its natural habitat covers most of the island, which is very mountainous. This bird is territorial and not shy. It is often found in pairs, often hanging along tree branches, and rarely on the ground. 6. Guatemala. The bird species native to this country is the resplendent quetzal. A very beautiful bird, like a bird from paradise. It has a long, charming tail. Its body length from the tip of its beak to the tip of its tail is about 38 centimeters. It is the national animal of Guatemala, depicted on the country's flag and coat of arms. This bird even gives the name to Guatemala's currency, the Guatemalan quetzal. Although it is the national animal of Guatemala, this bird is also found in Central America and southern Mexico, inhabiting tropical forests, particularly mountain forests. 7. India. The black and orange flycatcher is a bird native to this country. This flycatcher species is endemic to the central and southern western Ghats, the Nilgiris, and Palni mountains of southern India. They prefer habitats with high leaf litter and shrubs in open grasslands. They feed on insects by catching them low on the ground and also by picking them up from the ground. The bird's peak feeding activity occurs in the early morning and early evening. During these times, they can catch up to 100 insects per hour. Eight. Indonesia. Indonesia is the country with the most endemic birds in the world. Over 500 endemic bird species live in this country. One of these species is the western crowned pigeon. This endemic bird species is endemic to the western part of Papua Island, where it inhabits lowland rainforests. This is a type of dove. It has a very attractive crown. Native people hunt it for food and its beautiful feathers. Due to habitat loss, this bird is categorized as a vulnerable species on the red list of threatened species. 9. Iran. The Iranian ground jay is a bird endemic to Iran, known as zagbur in Persian. This bird typically lives in dry areas and inhabits the desert and semi-desert areas of the Central Highlands. Its eyes sparkle like jewels. Its body is covered in short feathers, giving it a fluffy appearance. It is known for its swift, erratic flight and its remarkable ability to climb bushes to forage and nest. This bird is a protected species in Iran. Iraq. The Iraqi babbler is a bird native to Iraq. Although called the Iraqi babbler, this bird is also found outside Iraq, including in southwestern Iran, Syria, and southeastern Turkey. This bird is often found in swampy reed beds and is also found in rural habitats along rivers. Its body length is approximately 20 to 23 centimeters. Its diet consists mainly of insects, such as grasshoppers, moths, cockroaches, and other types of insects. Jamaica. The red-billed streamertail is endemic to Jamaica and is the country's national bird. This species belongs to the hummingbird or colibri family. Its tail is very long and attractive. It is often called the scissors-tail hummingbird because its tail resembles scissors. Adult males have long tails, with a body length from the tip of the beak to the tip of the tail of about 23 centimeters. Females have short tails, with a body length of about 10 centimeters. Japan. The bird of Japan is the green pheasant, an omnivorous bird native to the Japanese archipelago. It is the national bird of Japan. This bird is found throughout Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu, as well as several smaller islands. In the wild, this bird feeds on small animals such as insects and worms, as well as seeds and plants. The male has a beautiful dark green breast, a bluish hood, red wattles, and a long tail streaked with pale gray. The female is smaller than the male and has black-brown plumage.